This is TMC reporting live. Over. What do you have to say about Romy, man?
Fuck Romy.
Is there anything else going for you, man?
Romy?
Yeah.
Oh, I saw that guy. He was sucking dick at Sam's Club.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What did he tell
It
you,
was
man?
crazy.
How do you respond to that?
I don't know. I guess like he caught some guy stealing, and he started sucking his dick. That asshole.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Romy, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Sabash? Romy? Sabash?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. He's a fag. You stay away from that asshole.
Is there anything else you hate about him?
I hate that motherfucker.
Why is that, sir?
Fucking, oh my god, he fucked up. I used to like going to Sam's Club. Now this motherfucker fucks up everything.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, what do you have to say about Bajar, man? You know?
Oh, I saw Bajar when I was at the college in Oxnard.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool, man.
He was holding hands with some guy.
Oh,
Fucking
fuck.
asshole.
Holy shit. Fuck.